and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bathroom clean with me. I'd love if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more organizing and cleaning and DIY type videos. But we've got a lot to get done today, so let's get into it. It's really not looking too bad, but there are definitely areas that need to be cleaned. I usually clean the bathroom about once a week, but today I'm going to be doing more of a deep clean, starting with the bathtub. You can see there's some of that pink scum at the bottom of the bathtub right around the drain, so I will definitely be tackling that. I also want to wipe down this shelf along with the edges of the bathtub where we keep a lot of our products. We do have this shower caddy, but it's pretty old, and if I put any shampoo or other products on here, it tends to come out of the silicone suction cup and come crashing down while you're having a shower. I do have a couple of loofahs and my razor on there, but I really should get a new shower caddy so I don't have to have all the products on the edge of the bathtub because that doesn't look as nice. I know there are lots of different ways to clean the bathtub. I've personally used Comet before, among other things. But one method I read online was to measure out a quarter cup of vinegar and then microwave it for 90 seconds. I have this cleaning vinegar that I'm using today. While that's heating up, they said to pour some liquid dish soap over the bathtub, then pour the vinegar on top, followed by 4 tablespoons of baking soda. That amount of vinegar didn't actually cover my entire bathtub, so I went back and I got another quarter cup and microwaved that, and now I'm adding it to this concoction here. I'm also adding another squirt of dish soap for good measure. I'm using this little scrubby brush that I have to scrub in the baking soda with the soap and the vinegar. I'm especially focusing around the drain area where all of that pink scum is. I set a timer for 30 minutes to let that soak in, and now I'm going to move on to the rest of the bathroom. I'm taking this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and squirting it all in the toilet bowl, and then I'll let that set for about 10 minutes. I have this microfiber glass cleaning cloth that I'm using for the first time with Windex to clean my mirror. I used to always use paper towel for this, but I wanted to find a more environmentally friendly option. I always spray the toilet bowl brush with some disinfectant cleaner after I use it before putting it back in its little stand. Now to clean the sink and countertop, I'm using this Lysol all-purpose cleaning spray, and I'm wiping everything down with a microfiber cloth. I'm cleaning too hard, guys. Got a hole in my rubber gloves. This is not something I do every time I clean the bathroom, but I'm spraying the drawers and wiping them down. I'm pleased to report my bathroom drawers are still organized from when I filmed my bathroom organization video. I am going to take everything out today so I can clean all underneath it, because over time I do find they tend to get dirty, especially when there's makeup involved. I showed you this broken blush palette in my other video, and it is still getting pink blush everywhere, so I'm taking the rest of that section out so it stops making a pink mess everywhere. I'm not going to take everything out of the bottom drawer because it doesn't get used as often and there's no makeup down there, so it really doesn't get that dirty. I'm now using another microfiber cloth to wipe down the bathtub. Now to rinse it out, I'm just running the tap and then using a cup to swoosh the water over to the other end of the bathtub. So clean and shiny. I don't know what these pink marks on the edge of the bathtub are from, but I'm just using a magic eraser to wipe them away, and they're coming off really easily, so that's good. Now to remove all the products from the edge of the bathtub so I can wipe this area down. For the edges of the bathtub and the tiles, I'm just using this all-purpose spray again with a microfiber cloth. And now I'm climbing on the edge of the bathtub to reach the top tiles, because you gotta do what you gotta do when you're short. Now I'm putting my products back on the edge. Like I said before, I know this isn't the prettiest option, but until I get a new shower caddy that doesn't try to attack me every time I have a shower, this is the best option for me right now. I'm now taking a fresh microfiber cloth and my all-purpose cleaning spray to wipe down the toilet. Now is time to sweep and mop the floor with my Swiffer. And this is the finished bathroom, all clean and nice with a couple of fresh towels. I also washed the shower curtain because that does tend to get a lot of soap buildup on there and it gets pretty dirty over time. We don't have a shower curtain liner, which we really should get. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me as I cleaned my bathroom. Be sure to check out some of my previous videos if you've missed any. I have a bathroom organization video where I declutter all of my makeup, nail polish, and hair products. And one of my most recent videos is a dollar store pantry organization where I organized all my kitchen cupboards using only items from the dollar store. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.